Charm. We are continuing the basics line today. We're going to actually be making a nice mushroom gravy sauce. So here we have about a half a cup of onions, a little bit more than a half a cup here, but we've got a full cup of mushrooms, white mushrooms, and then we've got a half a cup of our heavy cream here, as well as some parsley for some flavor. We'll go ahead and place a little bit of wine in there as well, red wine, that's a Cabernet. And then I've got a little bit of flour here, and then of course my chicken bouillon here, and then I'll be adding a little bit of peppercorn in there just for some flavor. So let's get started. All right guys, so here we're at our stove. Let's go ahead and remove our cover for our pan. We're going to go ahead and start with placing this on about medium-high heat. I'm going to place mine on about 7-8. I'm going to place the heavy cream in here first. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually throw in some of the wine as well. I'm going to stir this together and I'm going to let it cook just a little bit and mix it in together with the flavors. And then we'll come back. So for the first step, we placed in the red wine and then we also placed in our heavy cream. Let's go ahead and throw in some chicken bouillon just for some more flavor. All right. Get the whole packet in there. Then I'll go ahead and add my onions. I'm going to use about a little less than that. That was about a little bit more than a half a cup of onions. Go ahead and stir in everything together and throw in our mushrooms as well. Throw in a little bit of flour. This is about 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour. Take our parsley just for some flavor and sprinkle this in here. This is to taste. And I've got, again, don't forget that I've got my pan right now on medium-high heat. I'm not very patient when it comes to waiting for my food, so don't forget to add that in there. Then we'll also take a little bit of peppercorn and we'll sprinkle that in on here just for some flavor. So now after about placing it on about medium to high heat for the next 5 or so minutes, we went ahead and stirred the gravy a couple times. Stir it occasionally, just make sure that you're doing that, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. It's so nice. The mushrooms have melted in there nicely. That's good. That's really good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thanks so much for watching.